Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 59 from James Stewart Calculus, A exercises, 8th edition. So now we are asked to solve the inequality assuming that A, B, and C are negative constants. Okay, so this is what we have, and from this we can basically subtract B on both sides. So AX plus B minus B, just AX on this side. You're going to have C minus B. Then remember that A, B, and C are negative constants or negative numbers. And if you divide by a negative number, then the sign actually changes. So the inequality faces the other direction. So whatever sign you have basically changes. So now this becomes that. And that is how you solve this problem.